Okay, man. I got finished with the front end. I think I'm gonna do the top. That's gonna be a whole nother level, man. The top and the back probably tomorrow. So I'm probably through for the day. I got a little cleanup to do. I'm gonna let this dry. Let me give you a sneak peek of what it looked like. Hey, I think it looked pretty good. Got the lines and everything straight. I'll be able to open the garage tomorrow to get a full view. I picked the only day to start when it started raining out here in Memphis today, so I think I got a good start. Like I said, I'll show you the full thing tomorrow when I get finished. Maybe it ain't raining outside. I appreciate you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe when you watch this video. All right, man. It's been a long process. Let's move on to the back. See if I can get something going on. I'm almost finished. It's a long process. Take the longest is to take everything off. I could spray it in 30 minutes, hell, an hour. Hardest thing to do is to tape everything off, mask everything up. Then I can do the cleanup later on. Yeah, that look pretty good. As long as you just get it black. That's like the first coat. So I'm gonna come back again, do another one to get it real black.
right?
Yep. Yep. Like black, just like that. Start off as see-through, but the more coats you put in there, the blacker it'll get. As long as you can get it smooth, it's gonna dry real smooth. So I think the front came out good. I did the front first so I can see what it'll look like. So I thought that came out pretty good. There we go. Okay. Almost done with this can. Oh. Alright. Whew. Oh, I got some cleanup to do. Look like I got everything about done for today. Got the back. That look pretty good. Definitely got some cleanup to do. The whole top. All the way to the front. I got some cleanup stuff to do in the front too. I'll clean all that stuff up. Alright, that's a wrap for the night. When I get finished cleaning it up and everything, I got another video coming. Once again, it's Derek with another video. Peace out.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.